Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to draw on Google Docs. So this way you can add shapes into Google Docs. So let's get started. First open Google Docs and log in with your credentials. Now on the home page, click on Go to Google Docs. Now to create a new document, click on blank and this will open up a new Google Doc. Now put the cursor where exactly you want to create a drawing. So I will just put the cursor at the middle. Now from the top options, click on Insert and then go to Drawing. Now click on New. A new pop-up window will open with the various options at the top. Here you will find various options where you can download, you can paste, you can cut, and various options here you will get. This is undo and redo buttons. This is a select button. With this option, you can create a line. When you click on this arrow, various options will get open, like you can create a line, arrow, elbow connector, curve, polyline or scribble. With the second option, you can create various shapes, arrows, callouts, or you can insert equations. If you want to insert a text, then you have to select this option as text box. And the last option is image, wherein you can insert any image from your PC. So now create a drawing. I will first click on this line object and then just draw a line. And now you can see a line has been drawn. Now if you want to create a different object, then simply click on this icon as a shape, then go to shape and then select the shape of your choice. As you can see, you can draw various shapes in the Google Docs. Now how about if you want to draw a freehand drawing? Then you click on this arrow and then go to Scribble option. With the Scribble option, you can draw a freehand drawing into the Google Docs. And now as you can see, I can draw a freehand drawing in Google Docs. And once you are done with the drawing, just click on Save and Close. And the entire drawing will be inserted into the Google Doc. Now in case if you want to modify this, then click on the image and then click on Edit button. And here you can add any object, or if you want you can delete also any object. Once done, just click on Save and Close. And as you can see, we have inserted a drawing into the Google Doc. So that was the short tutorial on how to draw in Google Docs and insert shapes in Google Doc. So if you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.